There is nothing new. In the Narcotics Bureau's affidavit, they are saying the allegations of illicit trafficking are serious. And Saurabh is going to tell us more about it. The word illicit trafficking and foreign transaction have been used, but it appears that Amit Desai and the legal counsel are saying that these are important and big names. You cannot just pin it on Aryan Khan without further details on it. And while they are significant, there is no proof that it had the involvement of Aryan Khan. That's correct.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. What Amit Desai is clearly mentioning is that they first need to establish the foreign links, because time and again, every time during the remand application, NCB has to say that there is a huge conspiracy in this case. They are applying the section 29A, which is the part of the conspiracy, a huge conspiracy. And from 4th October, they are keeping on saying that this is a huge conspiracy, international linkage. So first they have to establish this whole conspiracy and linkage. Until that time, you cannot keep a person inside the jail. This is what Amit Desai has to say. Now, what he is saying that this drug trafficking cases and the international connection, these are very serious charges. When you put on these charges onto someone who is just 23 years old, he does not have any criminal background, no drugs was found from his possession, no cash was found from his possession, he has not even consumed any drugs. So putting on such serious allegation on such person is a very serious charges which NCB is trying to put forth. So very interesting piece of arguments again, which Pooja, we like to mention that these are a very interesting piece of arguments which earlier were not put forth during the magistrate court, but now Amit Desai is putting all these arguments, and this hearing still goes. It's almost 3:45, Pooja, and still Amit Desai is speaking. There will be other two advocates also speaking on the bail application, and after which NCB will reply on this matter, and only then the court may give some order in this case. So it's actually again a race against time. It's almost 1 hour left to fight. Till then, all have to complete their arguments inside the session.
So what is being said in the court? Remember,
minute by minute.
Saurav is telling us the clock is ticking. Saurav, stay on with me. I just read out the illicit international drug trafficking. These are terms that have been used there by the Narcotics Bureau, but the legal counsel says you cannot just dump it on Aryan Khan. You know that illicit trafficking is a legal term. They are supposed to know the law in and out. They should have been cautious to use this word. They should have been cautious while using it against this boy when there is no recovery, no possession. He was not even on the vessel. Now, these are important arguments that the NCB is trying to nail Aryan Khan with, but the legal counsel representing Aryan Khan are saying if he's not on the vessel, if there was no possession, if he has no cash, how are you saying he should not even be given bail?